Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby frock design. Different color, different design, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always stylish, amazing and also expensive. If you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby frock design and other crochet material like crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby gloves designs, crochet baby shoes designs, boot, sandal, slipper designs also, and crochet baby purse designs, crochet baby feeder covers, feeder and others, crochet baby bow designs also, crochet jewelry like crochet baby necklace and bracelet designs and feet jewelry like anklet designs also. So, dear friends, crochet baby scarf designs, pancho, caplet, capsule, and jacket designs also, cardigans, open jackets also. So, dear friends, try this collection. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So, don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and relatives, and also gives your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So, dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers, and then goodbye.